My viewers and subscriber, if you never see or hear people tell about rain, ice rain, I don't know if it's still a fall out there, but go out there and show you what this thing is all about. Yeah, man. Let me see if I can turn on this camera. If I can turn on this. Alright, my viewers. See the door? The ice on the door. Alright. Yeah, man, it's still a fall out, yeah. So my viewers and subscribers, you see that? Hold on a little bit. See that? Yeah. So when people tell about America and coal and ice, see all this? Me a show you something, you know. Like me that Jamaica chip ice. See it, my viewers and subscribers. It's not a joke when people are talk. When people are tell us it. See it? So when you hear people are tell us about it, I'm not joke. See there? Ice. Yeah, man, and you, I don't know if you can see it, but that way you see a fall, and a rain. Well, a rain, but a ice. So in the morning now, me get up, and I come outside, and I 11 o'clock, you know. So this, I might, when me walk off, so if you go down stairs, if you go down there, watch. See that? Yeah, so that means you see all the vehicle them, where they on the road, not supposed to be on the road, so me take a chance. I take a chance and show you what I go. Real. See? You hear that? Ice me a walk on. Now, this side car. You hear that? All of that are ice. All the window here, look. Ice. So take a look on the car. The whole of that you see there? Are ice. When me say real ice, see there? It's not a joke thing when I hear people are talking. You know? When you hear people come a foreign and I tell you how foreign life stay. And sometimes I want check you for your dollar or check you for your money and you tell them say you're not hand on and you hear man a complain and cuss look on the grass. A high stat, you know. See there? Take a good look. On the grass. Ice. All of that. As far as you can see. See there? As far as you can see. A ice. All of that. Them tree there. A ice. Upon them. About foreign and money and all kind of things. Look for all that garbage pan. Ice them there, you know. Ice. See there? Think, you wanna think a joke thing. See there? Ice. Yeah, man. I'm gonna go show you out of the road. Like right now, my viewers and subscribers, you see there, sir? I'm a driveway that. I mean, I tell you, nothing can come up there. And the only reason why them vehicle did there is because which part them park last night, it just stay there. So that's a dry. Yeah, man, I go out on the roadside. I mean, I show you how I go on. All of this are ice. All of this. See there? Look right at that. See? Yeah, man. All of that. You see there are ice. Another joke thing. So now you see. Yeah, and right now, the rain will fall and lick for me. A straight ice. And this are the street. But see, I can take a chance go there. Just to show you what I go on. Yeah, man, just to show you what I go on. I take a chance. So you see? Normally, you don't say a snow. This is not snow. See? Ice. Yeah, man. Ice. So, and this a fall. Yeah, that our fall. Yeah, it that cool. That war fall. Yeah, turn into ice. So my viewers and subscriber, when you contact a man of foreign and he say he don't have no money or he don't have it right now, it's not a joke thing. Yeah, it's not a joke thing. It's rough. So look at this. All of that water we drop off of the car. You know? Yeah. Car dirty still cause we couldn't get to wash it. You see that? All of that. Yeah man. See chocolate over there, sir? All of that. Ice. Yeah man, see it. You can look upon the car and see it. See? What's it? You know? See it a crack? Yeah, see that? Yeah, cause of ice. Yeah man, you see? Now you see that. See it there? So that are the real car, that are the ice. That are the ice. So to each and everyone, we never see this yet. Or we hear people talk sometime and think a lie people are tell. Nah man, nobody not telling a lie man. A real thing man, watch ya. Watch ya. See there? That's no joke thing man. Serious thing people are telling man when people tell about ice. Yeah man, rain a fall on a ice man. Yeah man, see that? I left that out of the one right now. I seal it down. But kind of cold still people, so I have to take time go back in the house. Yeah man. But I say you see I leave in the tree there. If it cause it will continue until 3 o'clock them say. So if it fall harder by a little more, piece of the limb there could tear down because the ice. If not possible, if it continue, as what them think, it will continue, we may out of light because the power may go out. And if the power go out, then now can fix it until late in the night because of the ice. Some viewers and subscribers, more time you hear people talk about certain things. And not a joke thing. Yeah man. You hear people talk about ice, snow. Yeah, the snow alright. But this one yeah, are the danger. Because heat are the ice. Yeah man, I drop a sieve so I couldn't get to put it on, you know. So like how she have that pan, when she come out now, all she have to do is just take it off there and the ice not the pan. But for me one ice the pan thick. I shown a while ago. The ice part of it are the most serious part. As far as you can look down the road, just look down the road. Right where you see on the road, a straight ice. So what them do, them have a truck where they come around with salt and put on the road and scrape it. Yeah man, then put it on the road and go and scrape it. It kinda help, but because the rain still a fall, it still not really help. But them a tell you say if you not have to go out the door, no go outside. Yeah man, if you not have to go out, then no go out the door because the ice dangerous and you go slide off of the road and then you try stop and can't stop and end up in an accident. And remember me tell you a whole heap of problem that you may lose your life or somebody else may lose them life. So anyway, my viewers and subscribers, me just see that for sure no a little what a go on right now in my place, which part me live, and this me have to go through every winter. Remember me tell you, every winter we get them call this ice storm. Yeah, man. A rain and fall, but a ice. So it's a ice storm we are get right now. So it a go on until 3 o'clock this evening. So you don't know it go. So in other words, stay tuned. Me know me a carry more come. And remember my viewers and subscriber, like the video, share the video, comment on the video, make we talk about the video. And please not come tell me about now you in a sun, Miami, or you there Florida, or you there Jamaica. You not tell me that, you know. Because I don't want to hear that you now. Anyway, peace and love. And remember, you don't know we have the thing, 5,000 subscribers until December 31st. Now say a word, peace.